want to share with you an unboxing for Fairfield, who's having a 80th birthday celebration. And to celebrate, they have sent out these great little goodie boxes to different creators, and there's going to be 80 days of different projects. So this is the first box that arrived, and it came with this card in it. It came with a small package of polyfill, and I say small because another box arrived with 2 pounds of fiberfill in it as well. So we got popcorn from Sulky. I got this metallic string thread, and then this one, which is kind of like a mint green, and then it also came with sewing needles, which is really helpful. So together those are really nice coordinating colors. Then there's some little treats, and let's see, from Bella Crafts there's a coupon here for a free ebook. Then from Ann Butler, she gave us these stamping elements that are for making faux quilting with rubber stamps. So those are really nice. Let's see, Jennifer Jangles. I got a pattern to make this cute little bunny. And then from Laura Kelly, there's the 3 little pumpkin kit with all of the felt that's needed included. Then from Clover, flexible rubber thimbles. These are really useful. I got 2 different kinds of tape measures. So this one from Clover, which is retractable, and then this one from Fairfield, which is it's not paper. It's more of that flexible, like plastic kind. Let's see, there's other things hiding in here. There's a stuffing tool from Polyfill. And in the very bottom is this infinity scarf from Shannon. And it's beautiful, beautiful fabric with pattern in it. And then the last thing is a card insert about this tips for sewing with this fabric. So that was the box, and then I will be sharing my project.